Hi, I'm Eirik Salvesen from Årets Dental in Norway. I'll share some experience from the COVID-19 situation in Norway. I think in times like this, it's all about being part of a bigger team. It's about being on board a bigger ship, a safe ship, a solid ship, a ship with leadership, and also a ship that has a direction. Because being in a small boat outside of this big ship is not a happy situation in these uncertain times. So it became kind of a cultural journey where we made sure that everybody was on board the ship and that we had a clear direction. Everybody knew that we were resting at the time because we were not able to go at work, but we were still working on how to get back as soon as possible. So keeping close contact by all the different medias and the possibilities that you have with your staff is key number one for stickiness of your staff.